Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today me and my boyfriend are gonna be cooking dinner together, and I thought I would like vlog it because why not? And we've made this together before and it was really good, so I'm gonna share the like recipe with y'all because it was buzz. And yeah, I'm not wearing any makeup because I didn't feel like it, so I'm not. And then I tried something new with my hair. Like I did like a different curly routine, if that makes sense, and it's like really, really frizzy, and I kind of hate it. It's gay. We're just gonna thug it out, I guess. Like it's like really curly, you know, but at the same, like even my ends are curly, which is good because like my ends are low-key kind of dead, but it's just like so frizzy. Look at that, that's so bad. Anyways, Jonah's already going to the store. We were gonna go to the store together, but I have to let my dogs eat, and I have to feed them or let them out so that they can go to the bathroom because no one's home. So yeah, I have to do that, and then while he's at the store, and then when he comes back from the store, he'll pick me up, and then we'll start cooking.
This day.
Okay, Jonah's doing the chicken.
I can't open it.
We're gonna slice it up in like bite-sized pieces because last time we made it.
Who's we?
Jonah's gonna slice it up in bite-sized pieces because last time we made it, it was like a big chunk, and it took forever to cook. And I thought he was gonna give me salmonella, so.
Thanks.
It's just regular chicken breast, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Here, wait. Wait. All right, Jonah cut up the chicken here, and then his mom's putting on all the spices. She doesn't want to be seen. That's okay. Jonah's drinking his chocolate milk.
Is that fun or something?
Yeah. Okay. That's what? Pepper, oregano,
You gotta mix all that.
paprika,
You gotta start your pasta.
Italian, and garlic powder. And this is
Is it big enough?
chicken bouillon.
Where's your pasta?
And then butter and garlic and chicken. Okay, Jonah just massaged all the sauces into the chicken. It looks gross, but it smells good, and I bet it'll taste good. So, great news. Chef?
Thanks.
You're welcome. And now he's cutting up the garlic. We're putting 3 cloves in there. That hurt?
Yeah.
Okay. And for the spices, we just put however much our heart desired. So, yeah. I'm chefing it. Look at me. I'm cutting the garlic. Hold on, wait. There we go. I'm doing it like, Jonah, have you seen Princess and the Frog?
No.
That's how they do it.
I ate that show.
Why? It's so good. I think this is good, right? I'm gonna make it smaller because it would suck to bite into. Are you munching on a garlic? Ew, you're eating a noodle?
Wow.
This is so unorganized. I love it.
You're not good at cooking.
I'm great at cutting.
How small is it supposed to be?
Mince, like small.
This or smaller?
This is such a large knife for such little garlic.
You want me to show you a little?
You hold the end and you can go around, right?
No.
Yeah.
No, that's too big.
Okay. I didn't want to touch it. It's stinky. Jonah's stinky too.
Put it together and hold the end and just go up and down.
Bing, 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 bing. That's what I was trying to do. You couldn't tell?
No. Beep. Oh, it's all falling off. It's too small.
I mean, like, you don't want to bite into that. A big piece.
It's gonna cook, little girl.
You just called me little girl?
I meant homegirl, but I don't know how that came out like that.
Oh, okay. Okay, we're using. Hold on. Okay, yeah, that's good. Anyways, I'm using this pasta. Let me see if I can. What did I say? Rigatoni? I don't know. Jonah picked it out. I would have preferred bow tie, but that's okay.
What do I do for this?
And then we're just gonna pour the whole thing. And then we have it in some water with some chicken bouillon to make it flavored.
Let it be done, really? Why is it so close to my face?
Because your mom said she didn't want to be in it, so I'm not putting your mom in it. Put some butter and some olive oil in the pan. And Jonah said it looks like ice cream. Oh, what a sizzle.
Move it.
Spread it all out and then don't touch it. Like get it all like spread out.
It looks so orange. Oh, sorry. Yeah, what a sizzle.
Hush.
It's starting to look like chicken instead of like grapefruit.
Oh, this pasta's good.
Pasta. Bam.
Bella, go get on your pasta, big dog.
Do what?
So get on your pasta.
What am I supposed to do with it?
Make sure it's cooked.
It's probably not. I just ate some and it was
It's getting there.
not good.
For sure.
Heard? It's getting there.
Tired. That looks so good. I'm hungry. Pasta is done. We're just gonna leave it in the water because why not? John's
What's that?
finishing cooking
Yeah,
the
it'll cook
chicken.
some more.
He's putting it into the other bowl, and then we're gonna start like putting it back in there, and then we're gonna make our like sauce for the pasta.
Putting it for like literally 1 minute, and because the garlic will burn quick. But you want to
I know, what's going in next?
It's the
That's what I'm
garlic,
saying.
and then
your cream. So wait, not yet.
Oh, no.
Sorry. You want to like move it so it doesn't burn, because garlic will burn real quick. All right, start pouring your cream in there.
this is just
All of
heavy
it, it
whipping
said 2
cream.
cups in the thing. And
This-
this is 2
is
cups.
this-
Okay.
Then yeah.
In there.
So 2 cups of heavy whipping cream.
Smells like fat.
I mean, it is fat.
Smells like diabetes.
Are we gonna put more seasoning in there?
You'll probably salt and pepper it, but there's seasoning on your pasta, right?
Yeah.
And there's seasoning on your chicken,
What do you do this for?
because I was stirring the garlic with it.
We need pasta water.
That's why I'm spooning it.
Oh.
Or I tried to bite of the chicken and it was really, really
Right
good.
now?
But
Or
I
mix
was
it.
putting.
Mix it all. I'd mix it all. So
Well, it's supposed to be lightly stirred, so.
I would add your salt and pepper. Down. I'd add your salt and pepper and cheese, and add your chicken back to it.
I'm gonna add salt. Oh, this is pepper.
Nice.
That's probably good, right?
Good party. It's
More?
fine. No, it's fine. It's fine. Leave
Okay.
it. Leave it.
And then I'm gonna put some salt. That's probably good. And then I'm gonna get the cheese. Putting the chicken in there. And then.
So once that, I would let that all sit in there and marinate for just a few minutes and like taste it and see That's when you start adding more seasoning.
More than that. No, chill.
It's not that much.
Oh, I thought you were about to dump it in there. That much? Go ahead,
Yeah,
girl.
I would make that.
Okay. Mozzarella cheese. Yummy.
Because it's going to thicken as it sits there. So have a bite of it and see what you think it needs.
Right now?
Yeah.
Oh, do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Just like, give her like a noodle.
A noodle. Noodle.
Put it on the
that's
napkin.
hot.
There's a napkin. There's a napkin. Put it on the napkin. Okay.
I don't know. It's not very spicy. You want some spice in it?
You know, add more paprika to it.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh my. Oh my, that's a lot.
No, it's not.
It's not really.
Okay.
You want to add...
I'm gonna put some more pepper in here. There we go.
Like 20 sachets in it would probably be good.
Snatcheries.
Look at all that cheese. That cheese.
Still like liquidy. Like on
Yeah,
the edges.
But as it cools down, as it sits, it will thicken.
You don't remember last time we ate this? It was like so thick at the
Leave
end.
it, just leave it like that.
Yeah, because that will thicken so much. Where like tomorrow, if you were to, it will be dry.
Mmm. Like one more. Ready to eat your pasta?
Yes, I'm waiting on you.
Mmm, looks yummy. Okay, here we go. Just dug in. I ate a bite. It's singing.
You won't forget about your physical, will you?
I said reminder.
Yummy.